And then there was a question for you, Daniel, from John. Are you familiar with Broker Sumo, and is BrokerMint a complete replacement?
I am familiar, and Broker Sumo does a portion of what BrokerMint does. So we would definitely be a replacement for that commission automation piece. Where we provide additional functionality is around all the rest. So transaction management, accounting, reports and analytics, because we have the full data set there across both transactions and commission data. So able to give more robust reporting, and then across that agent management piece as well.
Awesome. And does it handle document management and signing?
It does, yes. So we do have unlimited document management within the system. So you can assign documents to particular pieces of the checklists that way as well. And we also have e-sign within the solution as well. So if you have proprietary documents and or proprietary forms and other things that you want to map and be able to use and send out for e-sign directly within the solution, we can absolutely do that as well.